You said what?
Why in the world do you not have any respect for people around you?
What are you talking about?
Don't act like an idiot. You're not an idiot.
I'm not.
마트에서 방송을 하고 있던 카이와 아이쇼 스피드가 자꾸 눈에 거슬렸던 할머니. 그들에게 일침을 놓기 시작했고 스피드는 곧 한계에 다다르게 되는데
Well, you're talking like that.
How am I talking like an idiot?
You're talking about this nonsense that goes on in here.
All I am is getting fried chicken, man.
Don't treat me like an idiot.
No, you treat me like an idiot.
No.
I'm a young, educated, young black man, and you treat me like an idiot.
Ma'am, we're not bothering nobody. God bless, ma'am.
Don't play God into
We're not bothering anyone. We're shopping.
Damn,